Okay, so we just got finished talking about parallel line segments, just like the one you see here down at the bottom in blue right here. Those say the same distance apart and they will never meet, so they do not intersect at all. So we talked about the perpendicular line segments, which, just like the one here on the right, we know that perpendicular line segments have at least one right angle. So this one is, so let's look at this last line segments and the intersection here. Do you see a right angle for this one? No, I don't see a right angle. We can't make that perfect little square. It doesn't make an L, capital L, on any of those angles. So this is not perpendicular. It is not parallel, but it is an intersecting line. It's just not perpendicular, meaning it has a 90-degree angle. So those are 3 different types of line segments: parallel, perpendicular, and just a simple intersecting line segment.